tell you, I don't think it's the normal equipment to go on a hike on the highest volcano on the island. But I guess we'll see how it goes. Did I in the trunk?
Yes. That's the most important luggage.
Okay. See you guys.
Bye bye. Oh. Bye bye, Mila.
Oh. See you soon, Bomba. See you in 3 days.
But you haven't been away from Mila that much, eh?
Never. No.
On TikTok?
No. Fuck no. Wow. Did we just make it to paradise?
Yes, we did.
Oh.
The only place in Sonaro with a proper coffee machine.
Oh really?
Oh yes.
Let's go. Nice. So, welcome to a new vlog. This vlog is already starting up pretty nicely because we just made it to this place. What's the name of the place?
Rinjani Lighthouse.
Rinjani Lighthouse. And this vlog is gonna be really special because first of all we have two new guests. First, Cheng here. Welcome. And then Mathias over there. And both of them also have YouTube channels, which is gonna be sick because they're gonna also create some videos around this whole trip that we're gonna make. So you guys can check it out. I'll put all the videos and all the infos in the description as well. And I mean, you saw it already because of the title and the thumbnail of this video. It's gonna be an adventurous vlog where we're gonna go and explore some new places that I've never seen before, but I'm super stoked. I'm honestly super stoked.
Have you told already where we're going?
No, but they saw it from the thumbnail and the title.
Okay. We're gonna be inside those clouds.
Yeah. Hopefully it's gonna clear up at some
We're
point.
not gonna see anything, but we're gonna
Exactly.
take you with us.
Probably with the drone, maybe we're gonna see some stuff. I don't know. But first of all, we're gonna stop here. That's where we're gonna spend one night, and also.
You need to take off your shoes.
Sorry. Now, first we're gonna actually maybe discover another place, which is some waterfall in the area, and I've never actually seen any waterfall both in Bali. Did I see maybe a long time ago, but never in Lombok. So I've always been wanting to see a waterfall on the island, and I think Rinjani. First, before we get a coffee, let's put everything in the rooms, get ready, grab the coffee, and then start adventuring. Wait. Are you guys ready? I'm not. Apparently I'm not even. Oh, sliding doors. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Really hope this video translates how cool this place looks like. Little bathroom set up in here, and it's completely outside, fully open. Okay, hiking shoes on, ready for the first hike. The first one is gonna be actually pretty easy because we're just gonna go to the two waterfalls, and tomorrow we'll start the full hike towards the volcano, which is gonna take 2 nights, I think. Not exactly sure about the planning, but I know that we're gonna climb all the way to 3,700 meters, which apparently, from what I've heard, and Mathias already did it a couple times, but everyone else that did it once said do it once, that's it, because it was actually way more intense than they expected. But Mathias is probably gonna be the 5th time he's going all the way to the top, so I'm gonna see how this one goes. But first of all, we go to the waterfall and see how this one looks like. Like I said.
You want to steal my coffee?
Yeah, that's yours. Cheers. Pretend that everything is normal. It should be pretty fun. 𝐬'𝐴𝐫𝐿𝐴 waterfall. It's only the beginning of this vlog, but off to a good start. I mean, literally, was it 2.5 hours driving from 𝐜'𝐿𝐵 to the spot that we checked in, and now we literally just walk for 20 minutes, and that's what we're about to see. Really excited about this one. I haven't seen any waterfall, as I was saying, in Lombok yet. Crazy part is that now that's when you realize how COVID has affected the tourism here and also the local economy. I mean, there's absolutely no one around. So good to be back exploring and like seeing this in real. This is unreal. Wow, finally. Okay, when should I turn the camera so you guys can actually see what I'm actually saying? This is unreal. So high. I don't know if I can actually fly the FPV drone in that because it's pretty narrow and lots of trees around, but welcome to this waterfall. Okay, so this was 𝐧𝐨𝐫𝐦𝐚𝐥 waterfall. Well, now we're going to 𝐜'𝐿𝐵 waterfall, which is gonna be a nice 40-minute hike in this jungle and a good warm-up for tomorrow's start of the hike. So now it's just pretty chill. Whoop! Don't slip and slide. Pretty chill warm-up session, checking out the local waterfalls, and tomorrow we're gonna start the real deal. Which I've been training kind of a lot lately. Like I've been going to the gym almost every day, going to sauna, ice bath and so on to do the maximum I could to be in a good shape to climb Rinjani with no pain at all. But everyone that I've seen going all the way to the top literally told me they did it once but not twice. So I guess it's a pretty tough thing. It's hard to visualize how high 3,700 meters is, but it's probably gonna be almost the same amount of energy consuming as the 100k steps that I did back in Stockholm a couple months ago. So I'm looking forward to it, but at the same time I'm a bit stressed because as creators like these guys, we always want to bring so much gear with us, and for now I have this main camera, some other lenses, few GoPros and also the DJI FPV and normal drones, which barely fits in this backpack. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if you noticed, but this is not one of my douche bags because it may be something new coming in the future, which will not look like this, but this is, you will see. I'll tell you more about it later. Is this the way?
Yes, this is the way. It's just a little bit broken.
A steep way. Yeah, so as you can see, there's a little damage that. So this has been caused by the earthquake, right?
Yeah, but it still works.
So as you guys know, there was an earthquake a couple years ago, I think it was 2 or 3 years ago, in the north of Lombok, exactly where the volcano is, the volcano we're gonna see tomorrow, Rinjani. And everything that was aligned with the volcano on the same latitude got hit by the earthquake, which was super sad, especially for the local economy. And that's also why it's a cool thing to come and visit the earthquake. If you can, if you're in Lombok or in Bali, come and visit so you help the local economy by because you have to pay for the entry fees, you have to pay for the guides, you have to pay for the porters and everything. So coming here is actually really good to help the locals. I mean, it used to be, from what Mathias told me, it used to be 2,000 people per day climbing Rinjani. Maybe not all the way to the top, but at least around Rinjani. And now it's just like, how many people are climbing Rinjani nowadays?
Maximum 150 a day.
Maximum 150. So I mean, yeah, if you're in the area, feel welcome to just come and do the same experience. Except maybe if you watch this video all the way to the end and you see that we actually die from fatigue. But no, you'll see it. It's gonna be beautiful, we know it. Wow. We just had to stop because there's actually some black monkeys. Rare species.
You have one up there.
Where? Wow. Really cool to see some species like this. They don't come in to steal you.
No.
Those ones, they're really shy. Wow. Oh. So, to come back to what I was saying before, Mathias has actually been living here in Lombok for over 5 years, and he's been living to so many different places in Indonesia. So he speaks fluent Bahasa, which is the national Indonesian language. He knows all the places around, especially around Lombok, but around Indonesia in general. And it's so nice to have him showing us all those places directly. Okay, that's the part when it gets interesting. Now, we're gonna see. You don't even take the short path, you just go all the way in.
I wanted to feel beautiful. Shut up, keep going.
Okay.
Water.
Oh, so fresh. Whoa, deeper. So nice. Are we there yet? Oh, struggle. No way. Now I think it's time to get a little shower in that one. Oh. Good morning. Oh, didn't sleep this much actually. Slept for 5 hours. I don't think it's a good start, but who cares? It's actually gonna be a good start because this is the beginning of the day where we're gonna hike towards the volcano. First, let's grab a coffee and a breakfast. Good morning, boys. Oh, is it breakfast time?
Selamat pagi.
Oh, banana pancakes, fruit platter, and then a Torin. No, I'm kidding. I think I found a life hack for the. Can I borrow for the hike? Breakfast was fantastic now. Taxi has just showed up. We're gonna get in the back here and start heading towards the first point, which is... Do you know how far we're gonna drive?
Almost an hour.
Oh, at the back of...
At the back of the...
Of this. Sick! Oh, here's the Rinjani lighthouse. First thing first, we have to stop by the little medical center place here at the village where we start the hike to do a blood pressure test to see if we can actually get to the top. I think we should be alright. All pretty healthy, but still we can double check. Then we get to the office, get the entry passes or whatever we need, and then we can start the hike. And this is the medical center. Rinjani. Yes! Let's see if we can make it before the sunset. We can have the view up there. Fuck! That was one. Not on purpose. Oh! The view!